In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion charts with Mermaid, a new and exciting feature that Notion has recently introduced. This tutorial is perfect for those who are eager to leverage the power of Mermaid to create visually appealing diagrams right within Notion. Let's dive in and simplify the process for you step by step. To start, you need to access Notion's platform. Head over to your browser and navigate to your connected Notion workspace, which serves as your hub for managing wikis, documents, and projects. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that you'd like to work with. Once you're on the Notion homepage, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Simply click on the Login button. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your personalized Notion homepage. It's important to ensure your account is set up properly to access all the features we'll be using today. When you're inside Notion, navigate to your homepage. Now, the homepage might look familiar with your recent projects and notes listed there. Identifying the page you want to add charts to is crucial, so take a moment to think about where these visuals will enhance your existing content. Click on the page where you wish to insert your Mermaid chart. If you don't see the page immediately, you can use Notion's search functionality to locate it easily. Once you've opened the desired page, we're ready to start creating. To invoke Mermaid, type in the shortcut command, Mermaid. This command is a great Notion feature that allows you to quickly access functionalities without navigating through menus. As you type, you may see a suggestion pop up. This means you're on the right track. Next, from the suggestions, click on Code Mermaid. This selection is crucial as it sets up the environment where you will be writing your Mermaid syntax. Notion will create a block that is specifically tailored for entering Mermaid code. Finally, it's time to put your Mermaid syntax into action. Start by adding the desired syntax directly into the Mermaid block you just created. Mermaid offers a wide array of diagrams, from flowcharts to Gantt charts, so you can tailor your visuals to perfectly suit your content. Once you've entered the code, Notion will render the diagram immediately, allowing you to see your visual masterpiece right alongside your text. This seamless integration streamlines productivity, making your documentation not only richer, but also visually engaging. By following these steps, you're now equipped to enhance your notes, projects, or presentations with dynamic visuals using Notion's new Mermaid integration. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these visuals as valuable to your workflow as I do. Happy diagramming!